Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is, what is the best way to learn Forex trading? And here's a plan I have for you, okay? It's a 3-point plan. Books, forums, and to start trading micro lots. Now what I mean by that is books, there's a lot of books, and some better than others. Here are a few that I recommend, and don't worry, you can always write these down later by rewinding this video, but the first couple of books are Market Wizards and New Market Wizards. They are interviews with top traders. Really amazing books. I'm not the only one to say that. Many people agree with me on that. You will learn a lot from the top traders by just reading these interviews. Incredible. Another good book is by a guy called Ashraf Laidi, L-A-I-D-I, and it's called I think it's called Currencies and Intermarket Analysis. Sometimes I get that name confused, but I believe that's the name of it. It's like the Bible of what affects Forex prices, so check that out as well. Forums, if you're a beginner, then babypips.com is probably the best forum for you, but there's also a load of other forums too, but I'd say that's the best beginners forum. Check it out. Trade to Win, when I say 2, that's a number 2. Trade to Win is also good forums, but I don't think it's as big as Baby Pips. It's been a while since I looked at it, but I don't think it was at the time. Also, finally, what you want to do is you want to start trading pretty soon, and don't think like, oh man, I'm not ready for it yet, I need to learn more, because that would be the wrong attitude to take. With trading, it's one of those things where you can learn, you can read as much as you want, but there's certain things about trading you're not going to learn until you start doing it yourself. But the thing is, you don't have to risk the bank, you don't have to risk your house to do that. It's a common myth. A lot of people think that just trying trading Forex is actually a risk. It's not, because now you can trade something called micro lots. Micro meaning tiny. And the big brokers like Oanda.com, they offer micro lots, and that means that you can trade so tiny that you're barely risking like $2 or $3 maximum loss per day, that kind of thing. So check it out, micro lots, and you're going to learn a lot more. When you get comfortable with micro lots, then you can always increase the amount that you trade. That's the way traders work. You get comfortable at a certain position size, and then you increase it, and then you check again. Am I making good trading decisions, or am I getting a little too emotional about this, a little too afraid, even a little too greedy? You make sure your emotions are sorted out, and then you raise the bar again. That's the best way to do it. So anyway, I hope this video was interesting for you about how to get started learning Forex trading. I also want to show you this. I'll put a link to a website in the description box down below, and if you check that out, it's by a guy called Vladimir. He's one of the best traders around, and what he does is he saves a lot of guys who have really almost wiped out completely from making too many losses in their trading. And he also deals with new people, beginners like yourself, and even people who've been like 3 or 4 years trading, but they still haven't got to grips with it. And with the help of his hybrid system, he can help you get into really good shape. He can help you get straight out the starting blocks and in a good, reliable, consistent, logical trading mode, a non-emotional, non-impulsive mode, which is very, very important, because actually in trading, your worst enemy is yourself. But he can help you to avoid those mistakes, those classic mistakes that so many traders make, and then you'll never make those mistakes if you follow his system to the T. So please check it out. It's really going to benefit you, especially in your position now. Click on the link down there, have a look, see what Vladimir has to say, and I'll see you soon in another video. Take care.